Listen, first thing, here I am. Yeah, how was your day? How was your day today? Did you miss me? Oh, did you? Yeah, I missed you too. I missed you so much. I followed you today. That's right. Now close your mouth, because you're cold busted. That's right. Sit down. Sit down here. Sit down here. I am so upset with you. I don't know what to do. My first impulse was to run off on you and do a Rambo. Without the jammy and flat back, both of you. I didn't want to mess up this $3,700 Vicks coat. That's right, chill. Then I went to the bank and I took out every dime. And then I went to test all those credit cards. Yeah. All your charge accounts. Yeah. I stuffed you for every piece of jewelry I ever bought you. That's right, everything. Everything. Deflower me. No, go. Don't go look in that closet, because you ain't got nothing in there. Everything you came here with is packed up and waiting for you in the guest room. That's right. What was you thinking about, huh? What were you trying to prove? Use with the juice. Damn, I give you silk suits, Gucci handbags, blue diamonds. I give you things you couldn't even pronounce. Now, I can't give you nothing but advice, because you're still young. That's right, you're still young. I hope you learn a lesson, a valuable lesson from all of this, you know? You will find somebody like me one of these days. Until then, you know,